Hey everyone! Today I will be showing you a brand new strategy that will get you paid all the way up to $1,500 in free Bitcoin just by watching videos online. And mind you, Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency that's available. This is also completely free and works in 2021. Moreover, the website in question has a very unique feature that I'll show you later on. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. As some of you may know, when it comes to generating Bitcoin or any sort of cryptocurrency, the websites are very specialized. In other words, you will have one website that will make you money just by watching videos with no other tasks available. A second one will make you money by completing surveys and so on. But the website I am about to show you combines all of these, which is what makes it so good. The website in question is this one here called es.btcnews.com, and the very first thing you'll see on here is this about section. And as you can see, Faucet is a multi-crypto faucet in which you decide how often to claim. What this means is that you can connect to this website from time to time and redeem cryptocurrency. They don't just have Bitcoin. By the way, if you're not a fan of Bitcoin and you think its price is going down in the foreseeable future, then no worries. This site has other cryptocurrencies as well, which I will show you soon enough. Now, what I need from you guys is to stick with me until the end of the video because I don't want you leaving money on the table. You need to understand how this works in order to take full advantage of it. Many people give up too early and I don't want you to be one of them. So please be patient and pay attention. An important bit of information about this is that it's also available for Android users and will soon enough be available for iOS as well. So this is doable on your phone as well, which is very nice. However, the main reason we're going to connect to their website is to use their miner. And as you can see, you can use our crypto miner to mine crypto in the background while you do nothing. We utilize an algorithm that will get you to the highest hash power even on low threads, just so you can mine on any device with excellent hash power. This is very important information because this means that you can get the same results on your mobile phone as well, so not just your PC or laptop. Furthermore, you can continue doing whatever it is that you're doing while this will earn you money passively. And this is all possible without too much of a negative impact of performance on your device. As was mentioned previously, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency available. On their homepage, you can see they have much more to offer. I'll let you guys choose for yourselves which one you think has the most potential to go up in the future. What we will now get into is what you need to do when you first come on this site, which is to sign up. You will do that just by signing up right here. From there, you just need to enter in some of your basic information, your username, email address, create a password, and then you'll want to tick this box signaling you agree to their terms of service. Complete the captcha and click on register, and that's it. I will now log into my own account, guys, so I can show you everything. Alright, this is how your dashboard will look whenever you log into your brand new account. As you can see, this website has a system in place where you can level up to increase your rewards. You will be able to do so by redeeming what you've made. The more often you do, the quicker you will level up, which means that you will be able to make money, obviously. For now, you're at level 0, but that will change soon enough. If you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the list of cryptocurrencies, and as you can see, you don't have all of them available. The rest become available when you reach higher levels. For now, you have Bitcoin, which is the most popular of them all. But apart from Bitcoin, you also have Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, Digibyte. I will be focusing on Bitcoin for now since after all, that is the main purpose of this video. Now on the left hand side here, if you click on earn, it will show you all the different options you have. You've got faucets, paid to click, videos, offers, the miner we mentioned in the beginning, and bonuses. Clicking on the faucet section will show you basically all of the cryptocurrencies you have on here as well. Your job now is to click on one of them. Once more, the purpose of this video is Bitcoin, so I will click on it first. When you click on any of the respective cryptocurrencies, you will be brought over to this page up here. You can see the balance, and all you have to do is claim the Bitcoin, scroll down and click right here. From there, it will take you to a page where it will show you how much Bitcoin you have claimed. However, you don't have to claim Bitcoin per se. You can perhaps click on Ethereum, and the process is essentially the same. You click here to claim the cryptocurrency in question, and then it takes you over to a page that shows you how much you have claimed. However, to maximize your profits, you really want to use all the other options the site has. Among them is paid to click. This, guys, is as straightforward as it gets. You just click on view site and you get paid. The amount that you will collect will be shown right up here. It's that simple. The great part about this, however, is that these offers are fresh after some time has passed. So, if you run out of them, you just have to wait a while or complete some other offers for them to become available again. Speaking of other offers, videos are, in my opinion, one of the best ways to do this. You don't even have to watch them. Just click on watch video and you can do something else and still get paid. Once again, the amount will be displayed right here. Completing various offers is yet another way to make money with this website. But in my opinion, guys, these you should only complete if you have some extra time on your hands. They're just not worth it. Instead, what I want you to focus on, apart from the videos and faucets, is the miner. The miner is what will make you money passively, which is arguably the best part about it all. All you have to do is just click on the start button right here, and it will start earning you money. That's basically it. As we found out before, it doesn't impact your device performance that much and is doable on your Android device as well, which is why you should focus on the miner primarily alongside the faucets and videos. With all of that said and done, how do you collect your earnings though? Well, it's really simple. You just have to come back over to the dashboard, click on my account right here, and then on withdraw. From there, just click on show details for any of these cryptocurrencies. Once again, I'll go with Bitcoin. Now, whether or not you will pay transaction fees depends on the wallet you have. In my opinion, Coinbase is the best option here because although it has a higher minimum amount you will need to have in order to collect your earnings, you will not need to pay any transaction fees. And for those wondering, creating an account on Coinbase is free to do. And to create one, you just have to click on Get Started in the upper right corner, and that's basically it. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.